Police in St. Catherine were kept busy today as they tried to clamp down on students found loitering in the old capital Spanish Town. Now, as Sandy Williams explains, dozens of students were found idling when they should have been in class.
Students crowded on the streets, some in uniforms, some with infants in tow, and others clearly in no rush to get to the classroom.
So you have 3 books inside of the bags, right?
Police searching a schoolboy's bag stumbled on more than just books. Marijuana hidden in its own compartment was seized after the student tried to flee, tossing the bag over a wall. Officers retrieved it and made the discovery. The bag's owner was later questioned. As for the other students,
what time is it now? What time is it now? If you are supposed to get to school at 7:45, it is now 8:03 by my time. Why are you here? You should not be on the streets at this time. Look how many I don't know what you're like. Move to the buses now. What you experienced this morning is a new initiative that we at the St. Catherine North Community Safety and Security Branch has launched this morning. It is called Operation Learn Not Loiter. The intention of this operation is to get the students off the streets in the morning and to try to get them to school on time as best as possible.
In total, 37 students, 20 males and 17 females were escorted to the police station. Parents were called in, but only some showed up. For some students, the problem wasn't just tardiness. It was taste in transportation.
The truth is that these students are very selective in the buses that they choose to travel on. So if these buses are not playing the loud, lewd music that allows them to carry on and to engage in all kind of activities that are not suitable for children, most times they are not interested in taking those buses.
They're not traveling with me. Listen to my bus. You know, you hear music in there? The music in there, no?
So that's they're not traveling?
They're not traveling with a music bus, they're traveling with music bus.
Police ordered bus operators to keep the ride clean. No lewd lyrics, no distractions.
If you know you have issues getting on a bus or getting a bus, what you need to do, get up a little earlier. Simple as that. If you know the bus problem is here, you can't just come out here anywhere especially to reach a school. Every time you miss a class, you must understand that you miss note, you're falling back in the class. Many of you guys, you're waiting on special buses. If you must not play music unless you don't want to go on it, that may understand if you get to school, man.
Concerned adults publicly agree with the police's operation, adding that more needs to be done so the streets don't become holding pens for restless students.
Coordination must take place because if the bus them load up this up and the bus part in here, both coordination between getting the bus in here and getting the students in the bus are necessary. The only reason why them up there is because up there bus them load. While we understand that some people have special bus for them like to take, we not go against that as a fact. But them need for them at the bus park, which is actually more safer than out on the road.
We'll be going out there in the mornings to ensure that the buses are in the park, students go into the park to take the buses. Because we do recognize that it is an issue and it is one of the things that we want to stem while we are out there on the streets.
Sandy Williams, TVJ News.